Get it on. Get some fish on.
Captain Jimbo and his crew have been driving for over 3 hours into the Gulf of Mexico and are getting close to their first fishing spot.
Ready to roll?
Yes, sir. We're getting there.
We'll try to get on top of them and stay as close as we can.
Come on, groupers.
The crew is targeting snapper and grouper, which live around structure on the bottom.
Be hugging around the bottom there.
This could be rocks, reefs, or an old shipwreck.
I like to have no tension at all on my line. Feel the bite a lot better.
The captain's job is to position the boat directly over the structure so his crew can drop bait close to the fish.
Sometimes the current will push you a little harder. Sometimes the wind will push you a little harder. Just kind of find that balance, you know, find that.
Getting close, getting close.
All right, guys, give it a shot.
Yes,
See what you can do with it.
And bite, Mitch. Huh? Josh? You had bite? Oh. Got one. Got one on.
Get them going, Chris.
I ain't got another one on.
Get them going.
Got double trouble.
There you go. That's
Got
it.
another one on, Cal.
Get them fired up. Way on the board.
Yeah, he is. Come on, get him. Gag.
Gag.
The black grouper.
It's dead. It's dead. That's the perfect spot. They don't fight much.
Grouper are good, but the crew is targeting the prized red snapper.
Feels like a snapper. Could be wrong. Could be a bigger snapper. A red snapper? This is what we're here for.
To quickly and humanely kill the fish, Jimbo's crew uses a Japanese method called ikejime. It involves inserting a sharp spike into the fish's brain. This is also believed to improve the quality of the fish.
Ice is so important to this. You got to put just the right amount because you put too much, you can burn them too. So ice them off is the #1 thing.
My boss just texted me and said I needed to text my wife ASAP so we can find out what's going on.
Black grouper. Black grouper. That's what we after too. Swallowed it, but damn shark had him, look. Got his ass. We got to save a little bit. We can eat off of that. Beautiful, red
Beautiful,
snapper.
delicious red snapper.
Don't get no prettier than that.
Got out here, caught a few fish. Oh, we're doing good. Fixing to get anchored up, get some good rest tonight, and have a good day tomorrow.
Just as the fishing begins to pick up, the mood on the boat takes a turn.
I'm sorry we got to cut this short, but we've had a family emergency at home, and family is first. Much as I'd like to, we're going to have to cut the trip short.